my usual oatmeal, and today is actually December 6th, so that's Nikolaus in Germany, and my dad visited me over the weekend and dropped this off. It's for my mom. I'm so excited. So yeah, I feel like in Italy they just don't have frozen fruit in the grocery store. Like, there's one grocery store where I found frozen blueberries and they're not even good. They taste super sour and I'm just like kind of using them up, but they ruin my oatmeal. I'm so mad. I'm going to open my mom's gift. This is so sweet. This is like the best chocolate ever. So first of all, I love these little balls. They're so nice. I've had them in a different like flavor thing before, but that one's a winter chocolate, so that must be really nice. Oh yeah, it's with like spices and stuff. Sounds really good. I'm so excited to try these. Hello, this is so cute. A vegan like chocolate penguin, vegan gingerbread chocolate. Like, my mom wants me to like get a sugar shock, but oh my god, this is the best part. She made cookies for me. It's so sunny. I feel like I haven't seen blue sky in way too long. It's literally been a few days. I'm being so dramatic. We have this grocery store in Germany. I don't know if I think it actually is from Germany. That was honestly perfect. Like, I got just the right amount to fit in my bag. Like, it fits perfectly. And I spent 19 euros, which is good. I think I might need to have one of my mom's cookies once I'm home. They look so good, and just eating something my mom made sounds really good right now. I'll show you what I have in the fridge now. So basically I didn't get that much to put in the fridge, but I have this almond yogurt. Back there I did not just get these, like I got these when my dad was here visiting, but they're like vegan coconut stracciatella yogurts. They are so good. Thank you so much, Amy, for recommending these. They just taste like my childhood, and they're so good, and I'm so sad that we don't have them in Germany. But yeah, the only other thing that I just bought that's new in my fridge is this like smoked tofu. It's from Aldi, and it's so good. It's like so much better than any other smoked tofu that I've ever had. So that's just what I have in here. And I used to have all my stuff that doesn't need to be refrigerated down here, where they like stored trash bags and stuff before, because all of like the other space was basically taken, but one girl moved out, so this was free, and I'm so excited that I can have this now. So I still had apples, that's not new, but I bought clementines or tangerines or mandarins, I don't know, whatever you call them, but these are a staple. I buy them every time I go grocery shopping. I still had some dates, I still had some balsamic vinegar, I still had peanut butter. Wait, what did I buy? Okay, so I got these quinoa rice pasta noodles. I don't know what they're called, but I'm kind of excited to try them. And then I got oat rice, like basically just plain oat, like in a savory way. I got chickpeas. I got this aubergine or eggplant. I got some red beans, tomato sauce. I got this like soy like cooking thing. I got ginger because I'm sick, and I'm also gonna go to a different grocery store and get lemons. They only had like really big bags of lemons there, so I don't want to buy that. And then I got like lots of, I think that's like 5 avocados for 2 euros. So that's like so good. I'm very excited. I wasn't gonna buy avocados. I got avocados like a few times when I went grocery shopping, but I was like, okay, this week you don't need them. They're expensive, but they had them for so cheap, so. I am currently on my way to meet with my friend. I'm filming on my phone because my camera's in my bag. Okay, I have it with me. It's charged, but I'm wearing my bag like kind of crossbody, you know, and it's just so annoying to get something out of there. But it's really comfortable to wear my bag like this. I just don't want to get my camera. But I am on my way to meet Amy, and we're gonna go to Sephora, and then we're probably gonna go to this like vegan supermarket that I found. I kind of want to see what they have. Like, I'm probably not gonna buy anything, but still. And then we're going to Christmas Village thing. It's not like a Christmas market. It's basically like for kids, but I went there when my dad visited me over the weekend, and it was so fun. We did like the kids ride and stuff, and they also have an ice skating rink, and it was just really nice. So it looks really cute, especially like with all the lights. It's just very Christmassy. Oh my god, that dog was so sweet. So yeah. It's like everything in this area is super modern and stuff, which I like the old stuff more, but like it's still kind of cool. Like all these fancy buildings. Here's Sephora. I just came to this grocery store. They have so many vegan options. I'm like, why have I never been here before? Literally eggs. Oh my god. Wait, what's this? Is it like you can make a Christmas wish list and send it to Santa? That's so cute.
E vi ricordo che noi siamo qui domani dalle 10:30 fino alle 18:30 e alle ore 16 ci sarà Geronimo Stinto!
What is he saying?
Santa, 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 Santa!
Like a child. Oh my gosh, these earmuffs are actually serving. Like,
I don't even know. Like, I think my mom got these for me somewhere.
my mom got me mine too.
Like, don't freeze, child.
Oh my god. Those are Japanese vibes.
Yeah, love it. Going ice skating. So cute. Hello.
So precious.
Can you do like a turn or something? Like, do you have those kind of skills? Wait. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Should I start to do
Like a pirouette? Yeah.
Imagine.
Oh my god.
Holy fuck.
That's so neat. Oh my god, my breath is like... I'm on my way home from the Christmas Village, and we went ice skating. That was actually so much fun. I think it's almost a full moon. Literally, it looks like a lamp or something. It does not look like the moon, but it is. And it looks really nice in real life. Why is it outside? I'm like, I'm already cold.
Kind of Christmassy.
Oh my god. Looks like a, is it a beer like
Yeah, it looks
thing?
like a beer hog.
That's so funny. But it's so cute here. It's gonna be cold by the time I'm like done filming. But place is so cute. I was just at this super cute cafe, like slash restaurant, like kind of like a lunch place, and I wrote a script for uni. I wasn't super productive, I wanted to do more, but I'm just like freezing today. Like even in there I wasn't warm. It's just so cold. So like I had to leave. Like I'm just gonna take the metro home, because usually I would also like walk like at least a little bit of the way, but not today. I am very cold and I'm like also kind of sick. I will do some more uni at home and just like warm up until I'm going out tonight, because I'm going to the club with Amy. But yeah. Bon appetit! Oh my god, I look quite short, but you know what? I'm wearing heels, so. Oh, two on my busy toes. Yeah. So it reminds me of cats. You make me want to go there so bad. Now I like. Oh my god, it's so good. I'm like excited to try this, honestly. Oh, that's like, sparkling. Damn it. Shit. I like the shape of the pasta. I know, it's really fun. Oh my gosh, yeah. Hello. Oh my god. We are at a like Christmas marketplace and we're about to check it out. It looks really nice. We're slaying our outfits, like the earmuffs and the Christmas, like slay. Oh my god. It looks very unhealthy, but it looks good. Like the ones with the chocolate? Yeah. Oh my god.
Bella magia, invece soffiato.
Julia eating her first roasted chestnut.
It tastes like potatoes for me.
That's kind of true. Like I never thought about that. Oh, I think you can see it better on my phone, but like now it's gone, so. It still looks nice, whatever. Okay, we're gonna see the reaction.
Yeah, it tastes like Polish drożdżówka, but in donut form. But
Oh my god.
Good.
Nice. We are at this like Japanese concept store slash exhibition. We don't really know what it is, but I saw it online and it looked so cute. And there's like a store right here and then a restaurant over there. The exhibition is closed today, so now we're at Humana.
Scatta l'ora dello stile da Humana Vintage.
Change of clothes.
Fai un tuffo nel passato. e lasciati ispirare dagli articoli disponibili da una...
This is so cute.
Do take a picture of you?
Hello, I'm currently in Navigli and I'm gonna go to this like market here and meet another girl who's also from Germany. So yeah, it's really fucking cold though, like I'm freezing. Oh mein Gott. Ja, ich hab nicht viel von der Serie geguckt, also ich kenne sie natürlich, aber so und wird überall hingefahren, aber also es war halt auch schon so ein bisschen, zum Beispiel als wir dann von dem Restaurant zum Club gefahren. I love all the Christmas decorations here. If you want to see like all the Christmas things that I've seen so far, just go to my Instagram. I post literally so much on my story. I just met with another model who's also from Germany and we went to this market and then to the cafe and it was so nice. She's so sweet and it was honestly really nice to like speak German. I don't know, I haven't done that in a while. There are poke bowl places all over this city. They're everywhere. I'm at a cafe with Julia and it's so cute here. Okay, Julia, so cute. Look at the wall, it's so nice. And we're in Chinatown too, and they have the like a World Cup match, which is nice. So excited when I find matcha in Milan. And it looks really green, and that's a good sign. It looks so good. Oh my god, that's your coffee. Yeah. It looks so good. Oh my god. Yay. Oh my god, it looks so good. You're the only attractive person here.
I'm not saying something. Because we're so, I mean, like, talk.